In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign users and manage permissions in Copper CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to invite new teammates and how to promote or remove admin access, all without getting lost in the settings. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Copper CRM. You'll see the official Copper CRM website in the results. Click the first result to head straight there. This is the quickest way to land on the correct login page without having to remember a specific URL. Once the page loads, sign in to your Copper account using your usual credentials. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts on screen. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace for your team so that the settings you change apply to the right account. After you're in, navigate to Workspace Settings. This is your hub for account-level configurations. If you don't see it, you may need to expand the menu or check that you have the appropriate permissions. Only users with the right level of access will see all the options we're about to use. Within Workspace Settings, go to Account Settings, then select User Management. This area is where you'll control who can access your Copper workspace and what capabilities they have. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can quickly find users later if you need to make adjustments. To bring someone new into the workspace, click the Invite Users button. This opens the invitation flow where you can add the people you want to join. Keep in mind that using work email addresses helps ensure the right individuals receive the invite and keeps your workspace organized. If you don't see the invite option, you likely don't have admin rights and should ask an existing admin to complete this step. To manage permissions, admins can change a user's status by going to Settings, then Account Settings, then Company and invite new users. Find the person you want to update. Click the three dots next to their name and choose Make Admin to grant admin privileges, or Remove as admin to revoke those privileges. Granting admin access gives someone broader control over the workspace, so use this carefully and only for people who need it. If you don't see these options, it's a sign you may not have admin access yourself. That's it. You searched for Copper CRM, signed in, moved into Workspace Settings, opened Account Settings and User Management, invited users, and adjusted admin status when needed. Follow these steps whenever your team grows or roles change to keep your Copper workspace secure and well organized.